Do you know what you're cooking today? No, but I know. I'm going to be making smoked ribs at my house. That's right. I'm not going out. I'm not using no barbecue, no fancy smoker. I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing with the same results. That's right. Just a simple ingredients. 2 teaspoons sea salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. I have black pepper, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 2 teaspoon smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon chili powder. And then I have a swerve a brown sugar substitute, which is 1 tablespoon. And it's like maybe 1 or 2 carbs. That's nothing. Then I have coriander seeds, which is like cilantro, but they're dry. But the smell and the flavor is nothing like cilantro, which I dislike a lot of people. So don't worry about it. It smells like a lemony. Oh my God, it's really, really good. So this is how they look like. And I grind it. So I'm gonna add it to my the dry rub seasoning. I have also added some yellow mustard seeds, which gives a nice savory flavor. Then you have the celery seeds. They're all like a little quarter teaspoon. You don't put a lot. Then I have also my liquid smoke, which is great flavor it gives you. So I'm going to show you. You mix all your seasoning, your herbs all together, and you want to like a really generous. I have here close to 3 pounds. As you can see, I have already trimmed all my fat off my rib. And look, it's all cleaned up and nice and a lot of meat on it. It's about 3 pounds. So it's gonna take probably about 3-4 hours, this baby, to cook in my oven. So we are going to rub this baby. Okay, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the back same way. You can shake it off. Shake it, bake it, baby. So, okay, so I'm gonna finish this off. And I'm gonna shake it off again. And then now we're gonna add some smoke to it. Just like a little bit. You don't put too much. Might be overwhelming flavors, but really smells like barbecue. Okay, so it's probably 1 tablespoon, I will say. You spread it around, and you don't touch it though. Just let it cool off, and then we're gonna heat the oven for 250 to 275, and we're gonna do it for 3 hours, and we come back and open it, and we're also going to cover it with a foil. Okay, so we're gonna cover this baby. We don't want to dry it out, and I put a little bit, maybe a cup of water on the bottom so the steam's up. It will, trust me, it will dry up, and it won't affect because it's on the rack. Make sure you put your ribs on the rack. Stays dry. Okay, so now we're going in the oven, and it's going to be smoked for 3 hours. Okay, just like that. And then I'll come back later, 3 hours later. Now go exercise, go to work, and then come back and I'll have you see the finished barbecue smoked ribs at home. Okay, here's the verdict for our smoked rib, and it can be done. Let's take it out. Hope we didn't burn them, as we do sometimes. Voila! Not too shabby. 3 pounds beef, not pork, beef, and done 275-degree slow baked, and little bit underneath juice, beef broth. You can put it in. You can add a little bit wine if you like, but we're doing a keto, remember? So now I'm going to barbecue sauce, which is sugar-free. I'm not gonna name the guy who I got it from, but you'll figure that out. Look, it's very, very tender. I can almost peel it off. Oh, yummy already. Don't even need it. So, we're going to brush some. Barbecue is, okay, so look, there's no juice left. It is so good. I'll do the back, and I'm gonna pop this back in the oven for another 15 minutes under 475, and so the sauce will burn off and gives more flavor. Okay, it's going back, sticky, and it's gonna be caramelized with the barbecue sauce, and 10 minutes at 450. It's done, guys. Now I'm going to eat. I don't know what you're gonna have, but I know what I'm gonna have. Ribs.